was talking about freestyle. Now, you may be able to interject on this. Now, as far as emceeing, it's totally different. Because freestyle, I mean that you had it prepared before. And I was just like, whenever I was coming out, I thought that freestyle was the exact same way it is that you described it, like as far as dance. But they were like, no, freestyle means that you had written it before and then you bought it and then you're now reciting it, you know, I guess free off of the top of your mind or whatever. But like, there's a difference between freestyle and off the top. Now,
I never knew that.
Now, right. Now, I'm saying that, but I don't. If somebody says that you're gonna freestyle, I'm gonna come off the top of my head.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because that's just the way that it is.
Associated.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, but I do understand it also to mean that way too. Because I don't want to take anything away from the way that it is. I guess that
I mean,
mean it.
to a degree, now that I think about it, that actually makes sense because if I'm really talking about freestyle in a dance terminology, the whole thing of being free, you have style right after that. So which means you have to obviously free of a style.
Right.
You have to be free inside of a style.
Right.
That's how I interpret it.
Right.
So if I'm freestyling inside of popping, I have that structure of popping already.
Right.
But I'm freestyling already inside of popping.
Right.
So it's kind of like the style's prepared, but I'm freestyling it.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing.
So,
it's kind of connected.
interchangeable.
To like
Did you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I always have, like particularly with dance, I always have a different viewpoint on it because, style is your individuality.
Right. Right.
Your popping is a form.
Right.
How you as an individual approach it is a style. It's
That's
your
true. Yeah,
style.
I agree with that.
But
So
it
would you
is
say-
a form.
So
now freestyling is that's where I'm at. Like whatever style you have, whatever approach you have in the dance, it's free of whatever you bring into it. You bring into it. It doesn't have to just be one solid thing.
Right.
Like because it's like whatever style I bring in.
Right.
But you can't. You have to understand the difference between what's a form and then what's a style.
Right.
It's a good distinction.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there are people that will come up to me like, "Yo, I like your style."
Yeah, and we
It
know
does
what
make
they're
sense.
talking about.
Yeah,
We understand.
But it's like, but that's when you look at the word itself, that's not what it is. But I get what you're saying. It's kind of like when people say like, "Oh, did you see the sunset or the sunrise?" I'm like, nobody
can see a
seen
sunrise.
the sunset or sunrise.
Ah,
The
right.
sun don't move. But I know what you're saying.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I know what you mean.
Did you see the rotation over the
Yeah,
horizon?
yeah, exactly.
Yo, I seen that beautiful rotation over the horizon. Yo, that was
Nobody wants to
beautiful.
on that. But like, Slocking is a form.
Yeah.
Lindy is
Word,
a form.
right,
They're
word.
forms because they have vocabulary and technique. But
True.
your
Your
approach is
style.
your-
That makes a lot of sense.
But people disagree with that in the hip.
Right, I know. Back
That
and
makes
forth.
a lot of
like,
sense.
Right. So I mean, a lot more of what it is. I understand. Like, yo, when somebody's a little off the top of the head, I got you. I understand that. Yo, you did not think that that drew. It was not written out. You know, like so. I mean, now I'm a little bit more. I think a little bit more as far as me understanding it, because like again, like if I had never saw that, like, and when I was watching, I was like, nah, no.
Yeah, because it's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, it takes a
So-
while to sink in, right? Yeah.
And see, MC's a take. Like Rakim was influenced by jazz.
Right.
So he wanted to rhyme like Coltrane played.
Right.
And
right.
so it's like the style becomes maybe 1 second you rhyming like Kane, and then you're gonna rhyme like Das Effects, and then you're gonna rhyme like Busta. That's the style of it.
That
Right.
stream
So
of
it's-
consciousness.
So now you free to hit whatever kind of style.
Yeah, because you have different rhyme patterns and styles.
And you'll have it written and you know it, but now how
You're
you
switching
say
up the
it,
patterns.
that's at least because
Yeah.
I knew about that,
Yeah.
but I was like, that's kind of how I guess I read it or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.